10 vegetables you can grow in containers. Title: Female. American Midwestern narrator. Think you need a large backyard to grow your own vegetables? You don't. Some of the easiest and most productive vegetables grow beautifully in containers on patios, balconies, decks, and even sunny windows. Today, I'll show you 10 vegetables that thrive in containers and are perfect for beginners. Let's get started. For 10. Green onions. Green onions are one of the easiest vegetables to grow. They require very little space and grow quickly. You can even regrow them from grocery store green onions by placing the roots in water before transplanting them into soil. Container size, 6 inches deep. Harvest time, about 30 to 60 days. Number 9, radishes. Radishes are perfect for impatient gardeners. Many varieties mature in less than a month. They're small, compact, and ideal for containers. Container size, 6 to 8 inches deep. Harvest time, 25 to 35 days. Number 8, lettuce. Lettuce grows quickly and doesn't require deep containers. Instead of harvesting the entire plant, pick a few leaves at a time for continuous harvests. Container size, 6 to 8 inches deep. Harvest time, 30 to 45 days. Number 7, spinach. Spinach loves cooler temperatures and grows very well in pots. It's packed with nutrients and can be harvested multiple times. Container size, 6 to 8 inches deep. Harvest time, 35 to 50 days. Number 6, bush beans. Unlike pole beans, bush beans don't require large trellises. They're compact, productive, and beginner-friendly. Container size, 10 to 12 inches deep. Harvest time, 50 to 60 days. Number 5, peppers, bell peppers, and hot peppers both perform extremely well in containers. One healthy plant can produce dozens of peppers throughout the season. Container size, 5 gallons. Harvest time, 60 to 90 days. Number 4, cucumbers. Compact or patio cucumber varieties are excellent choices for container gardens. Adding a small trellis helps maximize space. Container size, 5 gallons. Harvest time, 50 to 70 days. There are 3, carrots. Many people are surprised to learn carrots grow well in containers. Choose shorter varieties if space is limited. Container size, 10 to 12 inches deep. Harvest time, 60 to 80 days. Number 2, cherry tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes are container gardening superstars. They're productive, easy to grow, and perfect for small spaces. A single plant can produce hundreds of tomatoes. Container size, 5 gallons. Minimum harvest time, 60 to 80 days. Number 1, herbs that act like vegetables. While technically herbs, basil, parsley, cilantro, and chives deserve a mention because they're among the easiest edible plants to grow. They're productive, flavorful, and perfect for beginners. Container size, small pots or window boxes. Harvest time, ongoing bonus tips for container garden success. Before you start planting, remember these simple tips. Use quality potting mix. Never use heavy garden soil in containers. Ensure good drainage containers need drainage holes to prevent root rot. Water. Consistently, container plants dry out faster than traditional gardens. Feed regularly. A balanced fertilizer every few weeks helps maintain healthy growth. Match sunlight to plant. Needs. Most vegetables need at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. Growing vegetables in containers is one of the easiest ways to start gardening. Whether you have a balcony, patio, porch, or small yard, you can grow fresh food almost anywhere. Start with 1 or 2 vegetables, gain confidence, and expand your garden from there. Which vegetable would you grow first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more beginner gardening tips, container garden ideas, and easy DIY growing projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.